Hello everyone, in today's video, we're diving into the world of CMD, exploring 5 essential commands that can be incredibly useful for system administrators, power users, and anyone looking to maximize their efficiency on Windows command line. Command 1, PowerShell start CMD v run as. Our first command is a powerful one, PowerShell start CMD v run as. This command allows you to start a new command prompt session with elevated privileges, ensuring you have the necessary permissions to execute administrative tasks. This will open a new command prompt window with administrative privileges, a handy trick for running commands that require elevated access. Command 2, Driver Query. This command provides a detailed list of all installed drivers on your system. It's a great tool for troubleshooting driver-related issues or simply gaining insights into your system's hardware components. This will generate a comprehensive list of drivers, including their status and description. Command 3, System Info. This command provides a wealth of information about your system, including the operating system, hardware details, and more. It's like a snapshot of your entire system configuration. You'll get a detailed report with information about your OS, processor, memory, and network configuration. Command 4, Set. This command is versatile and can be used for various purposes. In the context of CMD, it's often used to modify environment variables. This can be handy for customizing your command line environment to suit your needs. Command 5, Prompt. This allows you to customize the appearance of your PowerShell prompt, providing a personalized touch to your command line interface. And there you have it, 5 essential CMD commands that can significantly enhance your Windows command line experience. Experiment with these commands, and don't be afraid to explore more as you become more comfortable with CMD. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.